Alright guys, welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. So today I'm gonna make some stew peas chicken foot, aka chicken feet. So here's my chicken feet. Here's all my ingredients. See what's gonna go inside. This is spring onion, fresh thyme, Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, crushed fresh garlic, fresh chopped onions, and no, here's all my seasoning, chicken season, all purpose. Got my pimento, I got my Maggi all-purpose season. I got my Grace traditional ginger garlic pimento. Here I got my onion powder, and here is my olive oil, which I'm gonna use as well, guys. This is my blend season. I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can go how to make this blend season. Yes, it's on my channel if you look, guys. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna get these seasons. I'm gonna prepare the season, guys. All these I'm gonna combine together, and then I'm gonna show you how I season it up. So yes, guys, at this moment I'm gonna put little in each season. I'm trying to get it to all mix it together. So guys, I'm getting all the season together. Yes. So what I'm gonna do from here now, guys, check this out. So I'm gonna all the season that I just did, use it to season the chicken feet. I'm gonna add a little olive oil. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of my blend season, probably a teaspoon and a half. Yes, right there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add all these season that I cut up right here. Then I'm gonna rub that in, guys. Also rubbing all that flavor in, as you can see. So this is gonna be stew peas with chicken feet, Jamaican's yardie style. Okay, don't mind my English. I'm trying to make the video for everybody. So it's supposed to look like that. I'm gonna let that sit for like an hour or 2 hours. You can season your meat from overnight, how long you want to season it. But with this blend season, the flavor is supposed to be added right away. But the longer you can make it sit, is better. Alright, you gotta rub that seasoning, you see that? Alright, looking gorgeous. Okay. So here I go, guys. This is the bean I'm gonna use. You can use any peas you wanna use. I'm gonna use about a cup of peas. So you can use a cup of peas, or how many peas you like. I don't like that much peas, so I'm gonna just use about that piece of peas. First we're gonna wash the peas, and then we're gonna sink the peas, and I'm gonna show you just how to get that done. Here we go. We have 3 peg of garlic, a crushed 3 peg of garlic, and I crush a piece of ginger. So I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna add it to the peas. As soon as it start boiling up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw 2 cups of water inside there to sink it. So as it start to boil up, you put 2 cups of water to sink the peas. Alright, and then we'll let the peas cook from there. So we already sink our peas over there. So here we got natural coconut. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend this coconut and juice this coconut to add to the stew peas. I'm using a natural coconut. You could use a coconut milk in the can or whatever you want to use, but I choose to go natural, so I'm gonna use a natural coconut. So here we go, guys. We have opened the coconut. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take out this white piece, then we're gonna cut it up and blend it and juice it. All right, here we go. Here the coconut, just cut it up. I'm gonna add it to the blender and we're gonna blend it. Blend the coconut and juice it. Looking lovely, guys. It's gonna be a very wonderful, delicious meal. So guys, I'm using two teacups of water to my blender, and that will do it, guys. That's what I'm gonna use to blend the coconut. Yes guys, all done blend the coconut. Don't mind the background sound. I'm here watching some Premier League. Yeah, in Jamaica, watching some Premier League. So here right now I'm gonna juice the coconut. You're gonna need a strainer. This is a strainer, okay guys? So whenever you throw the coconut milk, it's catching the trash, just like that. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna squeeze it with your hand. Squeeze it. You put the trash in the blender, so in case you want to use it later, you can use it later. Simple and easy, guys. Simple. Yes guys, all done juicing the coconut. Look at that, nice and rich. So guys, I'm also gonna make a coconut. I'm gonna use the trash to make a coconut cake. Yes, I'm gonna just split the video and upload that, probably the coconut cake first. So here what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna throw this inside the peas. Just throw a little bit, because we're gonna need some more for later on. So here we have the chicken feet right here. So guys, I'm using a pressure cooker pot, and I'm gonna let it cook like for 45 minutes along with the peas. Remember, I was cooking the peas first, so I was cooking the peas like maybe 15 minutes in now. So I'm gonna let the chicken feet cook with it for like maybe 30 to 45 minutes, guys, and then I'm gonna show you after that what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put the chicken feet in now, and I'm gonna let it cook for 30 to 45 minutes in the pressure cooker pot. Okay guys, meanwhile the stew peas is cooking there, what I'm gonna do, you can't make stew peas without dumplings. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the dough, and what I'm gonna basically add is just some salt, just a little bit of salt, that's it, and then water to make the dough, guys. Body's supposed to know how to make a dough. Just add water, use your hand and knead it. That's it. This is gonna be the dough to go inside the stew peas. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add a carrot. Here it's already done right here. So I'm gonna add some carrots, and here the remainder of the coconut milk. I'm gonna just apply it into the pot. Yes guys, looking beautiful, looking beautiful. Yes guys, now I'm gonna make the dough for the flour to put inside of it. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make the dumplings, okay? So guys, what you're gonna do, you're make dumplings small like that, make it as a wheel. We call it spinners in Jamaica. So you just rub it and spin it in your hand and make them like this. You're gonna put them in the pot. It's looking lovely. Yes guys, stew peas all done. Check it out, looking beautiful. Now I cook some white rice with it too. Look at it, stew peas with chicken foot, looking lovely. Fried chicken in the pot, just finished. Lovely, tasting delicious too, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos.